Hello, my name is Fiza and I'm going to go over the research study done to discover some perceptions of location-based VR esports. The purpose of the study was to understand attitudes, experiences, and perceived barriers of location-based VR esports. Past research touched upon traditional esports and media comparisons, but not specifically VR-focused perceptions. The authors claim that the study was motivated by the rise of virtual reality esports and the lack of knowledge about the player experience with VR esports. The study was conducted in three phases. In the first phase, participants watched a short video about VR esports and were asked about their thoughts. Also, they were interviewed about their perceptions before phase two. In phase two, the participants actually played a 15-minute long VR session of the game Soul Raiders. Their movements were observed by the researchers. They were also video recorded, but the videos weren't counted in analysis because the lighting was too dark. In phase three, a focus group was conducted to ask the participants about their attitudes, experiences, and perceived barriers after they had played a game. The major findings were found in each category that the researchers aimed to understand: attitudes, experience, and barriers. Health, accessibility, technology barriers, and immersion are some of the topics that participants brought up in the interview sessions before and after playing a game. Some comments that participants made regarding attitudes were concerns about cybersickness, health benefits from moving around, and perceiving spectating to be more enjoyable by watching people move around in person. A participant made a comment on experiences by saying that the lag ruined the experience. We will cover this in further in limitations. However, others enjoyed the immersive experience in physical and communicative terms. Some perceive barriers that VR Some perceived barriers are that VR is expensive and physically and technologically inaccessible. A few of the limitations of the study include a small, gender-skewed sample. Also, none of the participants had ever played VR esports. There was only one short trial, and the players experienced lag during gameplay. A large sample with many rounds or different games would be needed for more reliable results. Here is a chart showing that the players did indeed have varying traditional esports or VR experiences, but no VR esports experience at all. At the end of the research article, the authors mention how their findings relate to design improvement. This connects to Kling and social informatics due to design improvement for human enjoyment. Some potential points of design improvements that the participants mention in the study are cybersickness, price, and accessibility. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful break.